Hey again, it's Matt.
Andres.
From Trout Soup. Today we're here on the Arkansas River, the numbers section. This is easy access. Do you need a parks pass to come in here? State parks pass. This is all gold medal water, all 96 or 102 miles of it, however you want to look at it. We're hitting this section first. We're going to work our way up toward Leadville. This will be Andres' first time fishing gold medal water with dry flies. So we're going to be looking for eddies, pools, deep pockets, riffles, runs, structure. Namely structure. Whenever you're fishing these gold medal waters, look for the structure and be stealthy.
I'm looking for water and it's wet.
Here we go. Today I'm using a caddis pattern and a very long dropper, about 3 foot dropper. Fish aren't that active yet. September takes a little while for the water temperatures to warm up, but we just saw a riser, the first one of the day, upstream, and I'm kind of using a curve cast to get my fly in there without putting the fly line over them. Didn't do a very good job on that one. Just working along the bank on this long run and all the bubble lines. Little curve cast, fish each lane, work our way upstream. And we have a fish on. Dropper. I'm using about a 3 foot dropper. See if we can get this brown trout into the net. He's healthy. Taking the dropper again. Rainbow, big rainbow. Don't want him to get downstream on me. Well, we've only been fishing about half hour. We got one brown and this nice rainbow. He's 17-incher. He's gonna go back in the river. Free jumper on the dry. All right. Okay. Little brown. Oh yeah. Well, he got the dropper. I think I might have flossed him. I think I might have flossed him. Oh, come here, buddy. Yeah, I think I might have flossed him. It's okay. Let's just try to get him in. Oh boy. It's a good one too. take him over here behind this rock where it's a little more calm. I pulled up out of the current behind this rock. This is a cut bow. I have not pulled him out of the water. It's a lot calmer in these rivers if you can get them right behind the rock. Hey friends, gorgeous day here at Numbers. We've got 3 fish to the net in about an hour, a little over an hour. 1 rainbow, 1 cut bow, and a brown. Andres went back to the car, the Jeep, to get some sunflower seeds. We're going to see if we can get him on some fish. They just started rising for dry flies. The last couple that I've hooked into have been on the dry. Caddis. Risers! Okay, we got one on him. A little brown. Let's see if we can do this without the net. Yep. Alright. And it's kind of sinking a little bit. Yep. He's a jumper. He's a little guy. Let's just get him in there. Let's see what we got. Brown? Brown trout jumper. Yep. Another brown. I think. Yep. Just strip the rest of this line in, bring him in. Yeah, that's a nicer fish too. A little bigger. Alright, well we had no release on the last fish because he was too feisty. So this guy. Andres and I had a really good afternoon. Unfortunately, Andres didn't get a fish yet to the net. We're going to do some dry fly fishing on our own this evening, try to catch the evening hatch, and then head on back into town. Hope to see you out on the river. Thanks for joining us.